how to remove multiple friends at once on Snapchat. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove multiple friends at once on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So here we are, as you can see, I'm currently here on the Snapchat app on the camera screen. Now to find your friends, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up and press onto your profile picture in the top left hand corner, and that's going to take you across to your account page. Now from here, you want to scroll down slightly until you see the section for my friends and then give that a press. And this is where you can come to find all your current friends on Snapchat. Now to go ahead and delete any of your friends, what you want to do is press and long hold on the friend that you want to remove. What that's going to do is bring up this menu for this friend, and what you want to do is press on to manage friendship and then press the remove friend button. What that's going to do is bring up a confirmation like this saying, are you sure you want to remove this person as a friend? Just simply go ahead and press remove to remove that person as a friend. Now, at the time of recording, there's no way to actually remove multiple friends. So you can, for example, press and hold and select multiple friends to delete. You do need to go through and do this one by one. If you do want to remove multiple friends, what I could recommend doing is actually deleting your Snapchat account and starting a fresh new account. But at the moment to remove friends on Snapchat, you need to go through and remove each friend manually. So that's how you can remove multiple friends at once on Snapchat. That's all for this video.